What are the seasonal trends in tennis player performance? Have you ever wondered how the time of year affects a tennis player's performance? Seasonal trends in tennis player performance are fascinating and can be influenced by several factors. Let's break it down. The professional tennis season is divided into segments based on the type of tournament. These include hard court, clay, grass, and indoor events. Players often perform at their best during major tournaments like the Australian Open in January, the French Open in May and June, Wimbledon in June and July, and the United States Open in August and September. These events are high stakes, and players focus their training to peak at these times. Another important factor is the type of playing surface. For example, clay courts slow down the ball and create higher bounces. This means players need to rely on endurance and longer rallies, which can change their strategies. In contrast, faster surfaces like grass or hard courts requiring different tactics. Players often adjust their training routines to match these surface changes, affecting their serve and overall game. Environmental factors also play a role, especially temperature. During summer tournaments, like the Australian Open and the United States Open, higher temperatures can impact player performance. While warmer conditions may increase serve power and lead to more aces, they can also cause fatigue and more errors, such as double faults. This creates a balance where players must adapt their conditioning and strategies to cope with the heat. Training cycles are another key aspect. Players experience changes in performance based on their training schedules and breaks between tournaments. If players take time off without maintaining their fitness, they may notice a drop in speed and power when they return to competition. Keeping up with aerobic fitness and strength during breaks is essential to avoid these dips. When we look at performance metrics over time, we see variability across seasons. Data on factors like the probability of winning, number of aces, and game dominance can show trends that help predict player performance. This means that understanding these seasonal patterns can be useful for players and coaches when planning training and recovery. By recognizing these seasonal trends, players can align their training with tournament demands. Coaches and analysts can evaluate readiness and predict outcomes based on performance trends by event type. For instance, focusing on serve efficiency during hot summer tournaments or emphasizing endurance training before clay court seasons can lead to better results. In summary, seasonal trends in tennis player performance are shaped by tournament timing, playing surface, environmental conditions, and athlete conditioning. These factors influence key performance metrics, making it essential for players to analyze their performance throughout the year.